Hi everyone, my name is Chris Sweeney. I'm a staff attorney here at Maryland Volunteer Lawyer Service, and we're going to talk today about what to do if your driver's license is suspended. The most important thing that I should emphasize is that you should not drive if your driver's license is suspended. That can obviously be pretty hard to get around, and if you need to get to work or elsewhere, you probably need to drive, but I just want to emphasize that you are putting yourself at risk of getting charged on driving on a suspended license, and that could even carry the possibility of jail time depending on the particular charge that you get, depending on the reason that your license is suspended. So I would just like to first emphasize that, and you're also going to end up probably racking up even more fines and fees if you're found to be driving on a suspended license. To figure out what to do if your license is suspended and how to get rid of that, you need to know why your license is suspended. We do encounter clients somewhat often who don't know the exact reason why your license is suspended. If you know that your license is suspended and you know that you owe money to certain agencies, you do want to figure out the exact paths that you need to take to get that alleviated. You can contact the MVA. You can search for MVA Ombudsman online and contact them to figure out precisely why your license is suspended. It could be child support or arrearage. Most likely it is going to be traffic violations that have gone unpaid. You do need to figure out the appropriate agency to pay. So if you have child support arrearage, you're going to need to pay child support or even the Central Collections Unit if the debt has been forwarded there. If you have traffic violations, you are most likely going to have to pay the district court what you owe to them. There's usually not a lot of options if you can't afford to pay, and most of the time you are pretty much going to just have to pay the full amount that you owe in order to get your license unsuspended. However, if you have traffic violation fees and fines that have racked up to more than $300, there is an option with the district court. You can file what's called a request for traffic violations installment payment plan. Again, you have to owe more than $300 in fines. The form looks like this. You would fill out all of the citation numbers that you have, and you would have to certify that you cannot afford to pay the full amount. What would happen if the court grants this request, which is at their discretion to do so? You would then be obligated to pay 10% of the total amount per month, and the suspension would actually be lifted so long as you're making those payments. Now, if you miss a payment and you default on this agreement, then your license can go right back to being suspended. So that's important to note. That is some basic information about driver's license suspension. If you have legal issues that you're concerned about, you should contact us. You can go online to www.mvlslaw.org. Thanks for watching.